I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Click Create Integration. Search and select Tutor LMS for the trigger. Select a task. And select a course as you want. Then click Next. Search and select System.io. Give here the API key. So please visit System.io API key in secret. Create. Give here a meaningful API key name. Save. Copy the API key and paste it into the integration site. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose tag. Map the respective fields. Here is an advanced feature in conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Go to the System.io dashboard and navigate to the contacts. Here you can see data came successfully in the System.io. Thanks for watching.